everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are working on a beautiful quilt alone called Tahoe. Isn't that wonderful? I'm so glad you joined us for this quilt alone. This quilt is going to be so nice. Guys, we making beautiful diamonds, and right now we're talking about diamond number 9. Oh, isn't that lovely? I love the browns and just beautiful shades of light. Before we get to the diamond, I want to show you what I'm making. You guys are pro in making your sets, strip sets. You following basic directions, following the recipes on each block, and I am so proud of you. For this block, we have 4 strip sets. Notice it, how cute they are. Now, from each strip set, we have cut 8 sections like this, 8 like this. So we have enough for 8 blocks. And look at this. All that we have to do is now sew this to this by just placing right sides together. Oh, this is gonna be great. And remember, all that I'm doing is matching right here, matching right here. Okay, write this diamond so that way I can go ahead, take my pin, place it right through the seams. It's gonna come up right on this side. I want to be right through the seam. Now I can put a pin front and a back, and now it's gonna be ready for me to sew it together and create a beautiful, beautiful diamond. I'm gonna start by sewing the sets of 2. Remember, you can also put pins further down. I match exactly that point because this point is important for me, but putting pins front and a back, also important to keep everything nice and even. Stitch, then go ahead and do the same thing right here. Match it up, pin it, stitch it. As soon as you finish, you're gonna go ahead and sew 2 of those together to create a full diamond. Isn't that nice? I open all my seams in the back. I was using this little handy tool, and now all that I have to do is press it gently with an iron, grab my gorgeous ruler, and go ahead, put right on it, check. Yes, everything looks great. If I needed to, I would have been trimming all the way around to keep my diamond nice and perfect for the next step. And the next step is, I'm hoping that right now you keep sewing, doing a chain sewing, because you need to make 8 total of those. Our next step is going to be making diamond number 10. If you just joining us in, please remember, you can start anytime. This is a free event. You don't have to sign anywhere. You can just go ahead, grab the pattern from our website, choose your fabrics, and you can choose either fabrics from your stash following the fabric requirements on a back of the pattern, or you can go ahead and get a kit. And we have beautiful kits. I just want to remind you, we have a Tahoe Primrose kit. We have a beautiful Tahoe English Garden kit. And also, very similar to the one that is on the back of me, we have the Tahoe in blue. Isn't that lovely? So you can choose any of the kits, or you can go ahead, select your own fabric, and come in, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Happy quilting, and I hope to see you soon for another diamond for our quilt alone.